Hey, what's up, everybody? Listen, man, it's Vashaun Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC, and it's been years. I'm talking about 5, 6, 7 years since I've done this, but here's a picture of my very neat and clean garage, right? So, why am I showing you this? The reason why I'm showing you this is because, look, I'm gonna go in here. You guys remember the smoke cave, right? So we're in the smoke cave. You see that? The door is red. The walls are red, gray, black, and white, demonstrating the smoke. We got the bar here, like a real bar, not like a cutout, like a real bar. Behind the bar is a refrigerator, big screen, big boy TV on the wall, PlayStation, and sink, glasses, accoutrements, all of that great stuff. So we got the sofa and my captain's chair and the microwave, the wine opener, Alexa. Alexa, what time is it? She's not talking to me right now. I think she's mad. But I got a question for you. So everything is like real neat, right? Cleaning lady came through and I can't find jack. You know what I mean? I can't find nothing. My lighters. I can't find nothing that I normally use in the smoke cave. And so I had to think like a sighted person, right? Like, what would they do with my stuff because they can see? And I found it. It was on a table that I never would have put it on ever. But it's kind of cool. So I get to relearn some new stuff, redo some things a different way. And I remember Paul Raymond, I was talking to him about government, and Paul was the director of blindness services for GVRA for years. And he said, Vashaun, it's like, you know, when you move the trash can, muscle memory has you going to that spot until you train yourself that it's in a different spot. And so that's the same thing with life. Everything is cleaner, but it looks different, it works different, it performs different, it's in a different place. It has a different reflection to it. It's something that is different, and you just got to get used to it. And so I'm gonna get used to a new spot, a new place where things are at, and try it from there. So listen, this is from the clean garage, the smoke cave. Hey man, my favorite part, you see all those not rocks, but stones that make up that wall right there? That's my favorite. That's what make it the cave. But I got the big boy ceiling fan spinning, the exhaust, its own heating and cooling system in here. And yeah, it's a great place to come and think. The smoke cave, newly transformed and made to be different. Think different. That was one of Apple's campaigns. Think different. If you think like everybody else, guess what? You're gonna get the same results as they.